Not willing to present the entire dataset? Looking forward to hide them? Do you want to know the trick to hide and unhide the rows or columns in Excel? Then watch the video till the end. Hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to learn how to hide or unhide rows or columns. So let's get started. So let's say from this data set, we want to hide this particular column. So we can go to the Home tab, click on Format option in the Cells group, click on Hide and Unhide, and further click on Hide Columns option. And you can see the column D gets hidden. Another easy way to hide your column is using the right click. Just select the column you want to hide, right click on it, and you can find the hide option there. Click on the hide and you can see the column gets hidden. Similarly, if you want to hide a row, go to the Home tab, select the Format option in the Cells group, click on Hide and Unhide and click on Hide Row. And the fifth row gets hidden. Similarly, easy way is by right clicking on the row number you want to hide and selecting the Hide option. So that would hide your row. Now, what if you want to hide multiple columns? Say I want to hide the H and I column together. So I would select those columns, right click and click on Hide, and that would hide my columns together. If I want to hide the 11th, 12th and the 13th row together, what I would do is select those rows, right click on them and click on the Hide option, and that would hide my consecutive rows. Let's say you want to hide rows or columns that are not consecutive. For example, you want to hide the B column and then the G column together. So how would you do that? Select the B column, press and hold the Control key and select the G column. Right click, click on Hide. That would hide your non-consecutive columns. Similarly for rows, let's say you want to hide the 17th, 19th and the 21st row. Press and hold the Control key, select those rows, right click, click on Hide. You can see that you would hide your rows. Now, if you want to see the total number of rows and columns that are hidden, go to the File tab, click on Info, click on Inspect. Further, click on Inspect Workbook. Further click on Inspect Document, and it would ask you, make sure you have saved your changes. So I click Yes, and now it has a lot of commands here. And here we have the hidden rows and columns option. So this would inspect the workbook for hidden rows and columns. So I click on Inspect, and here it gets me the result. It says number of hidden rows are 8 and number of hidden columns are 6. So if you wish to remove them, you can remove as well. Let me close this. Now let us take a look at how to unhide the rows or columns. As we can see, the column A and C, but we do not have the column B. So what you can do is just select the columns in between which you have the hidden column. Go to the Format option, click on Hide and Unhide and click on Unhide Columns. That would bring back your hidden columns. If you want to unhide a row, you can select the row in between which it is hidden. Go to the Format option, click on Hide and Unhide and click on Unhide Rows, and that would bring back your hidden row. Easier method is you can select the row, right click, click on Unhide, and that would bring back your hidden row. What if you want to get back many rows or columns that were hidden here? Like if you see here, you will find the column D and E are hidden. So how would you get that back? Again, select the columns in between which the columns are hidden. Right click, click on unhide, and that would get back both the columns that were hidden. Similarly for rows, let's say we have the 11th, 12th and the 13th row. So I select them. So I select the rows in between which I have my hidden rows. Right click, click on unhide. If you want to unhide non-consecutive rows, then what you could do is select the rows, press and hold the Control key and select the other rows which you want to unhide. Right click, click on unhide. That would bring back the hidden non-consecutive rows. Lastly, if you want to unhide the entire set of rows and columns that are hidden in your sheet, what you could do is select the arrow which you can see here. Right click on any of the columns, click on unhide, and that would unhide all the columns. If you want to unhide all the rows together, right click on any one of the row and click on unhide. That would unhide all the rows at once. So this is about how to hide or unhide rows or columns. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, press the bell icon and hit the subscribe button for instant updates. See you in the next video.